Just want to do a quick video for everyone with the UTV bump seat. I found it very confusing. Videos were very confusing. I also noticed people were taking their seats off, very difficult way. The Canam, all you have to do is pull this up. You got these holes here, and if you slide the seat back, you can get to your bolts. It is a 18 millimeter. I used an extension, easy to get to. On the front seat, it's easy enough to get from the back, but the back seat, that's the easiest way. You also remove this to undo the seat belts. When you remove the driver's seat, careful not to do what I did and rip out your wire, or you'll be replacing it. Anyways, when I installed mine, since it's in the front, the right angle goes facing forward, if you can see it right there. And then these need to be installed. I bought mine used. The guy had it wrong. Need to be installed with those gold washers underneath them, if you want to call them a washer, swivel, just so that can turn like it's supposed to. The buckle goes through these, and then, you know, that's all easy enough to figure out. And then you bring this part through up there, wrap it around back. Whoa, I am not doing very good with the camera. Back through itself right there. You can see it goes from here down and around through the metal bracket, obviously, around the metal pole, and then back through the metal bracket right there. Hopefully this helps people. You also need to make sure you tighten those bolts up correctly. That's how they're supposed to go. And hopefully that helps everyone. I know the camera probably wasn't the greatest. I was all over the place, but there you go. If you have any questions, I guess just message me or leave comments. See you guys.